Assalamualaikum everyone. How are you today, guys? So I just want to share some stories behind Al Baik, guys. Do you know that the founder of Al Baik, guys, pledged to donate 1 Saudi Riyal to charity for every piece of fried chicken na nabenta. And then when he died, his son also continued the legacy and make it doubled. So they give charity a lot, guys. And then, during Hajj season, sa location ng Mina sa Saudi Arabia, they serves approximately like 250,000 meals per day. So, sa mga taong nagpe-perform ng Hajj. And then, during pandemic, guys, during COVID-19 pandemic, they also provided 10,000 free meals daily. So, those family na nangangailangan ng tulong and pagkain a day. So, guys, I encourage you all to please buy Al Baik. So, in that way, you can also give charity as well. So, hindi nyo alam guys na magbibili kayo ng Al Baik, fried chicken, or ano man yan, sa every meal na nabibili nyo, you can also give a charity. Hindi nyo lang alam, pero nagbibigay na kayo ng charity. So, ayan lamang guys. Thank you so much for watching.